Nikola Tesla once said, if you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have a key to the universe. Now, Tesla was talking about energy, frequency, and mathematics. But over the last few years, millions of people have taken that exact concept and turned it into one of the most powerful, straightforward, focused tool out there. It's called the 369 method. If you've been feeling stuck, unfocused, or like your goals are just sitting on the to-do list, gathering dust, this technique is designed to shift your mindset from hoping something happens to actually priming your brain to go get it. Let's break down exactly how it works, why it impacts your subconscious, and how you can start doing it today. The whole idea behind the 369 comes down to intentional repetition. You take one clear, specific affirmation or target goal, and you write it down at 3 plan points throughout your day. 3 times in the morning, right after you wake up, when your brain is still fresh and transitioning out of sleep. This sets the primary focus for your entire day. 6 times in the afternoon, midday, right when the noise of life usually distracts you. Writing it 6 times here pulls your attention right back to what you're building. 9 times before bed, right as your brain prepares to rest. This leaves your focus running in the background while you sleep. It sounds almost too simple, right? But the magic isn't in some mysterious spell. It's in how repetition retains your subconscious mind. When you write something down 18 times a day, you're constantly feeding your brain a direct command. You start noticing opportunities, taking different actions, and dropping the self-doubt that usually holds you back. If you want to actually get result with this, here are 3 quick rules to keep in mind. First, keep your statement present and clear. Instead of saying, I hope I start my business, frame it as present reality or active direction. Say this, I am building a thriving, sustainable business every single day. Feel the intention while you write each letter. Don't just run through the motion on autopilot. Second, commit to the timeline. Consistency is everything here. Commit to doing this for 33 or 45 days straight. That's the sweet spot where momentum builds and new mental pathway really takes root. And third, track your progress. Keep a dedicated notebook or planner just for this process. So give it a try starting tomorrow morning. Choose your statement tonight, grab a notebook, and test it out. If you enjoyed this breakdown, drop your thoughts or your focus phrase in the comment below. Hit the like button and subscribe for more content on shifting your mindset and building your path forward. And if you want to join a community where people are doing this sort of thing every day, come join us in a school community called the Quiet Quitters Plan B. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next manifestation video for more tips.